It is surprising how very few people actually know that the Tesla Pi phone is now officially set to release early next year at only $789. That is a shockingly reasonable price that could easily make the iPhone 17 feel nervous. Meanwhile, the controversy surrounding Apple's latest lineup still has not settled down. Many users are already regretting paying such high amounts for the iPhone 17, with most complaints focused on how easily the device picks up scratches. And over in the iPhone Air group, users are left scratching their heads over why the battery drains so quickly. Exactly as people are saying online, it feels like Apple put looks above everything else, and this choice has made the iPhone 17 one of the most debated and frustrating devices Apple has ever introduced. On the other hand, Elon Musk has been sharing a series of exciting details about the Tesla Pi phone as the official launch nears. He is confident that Apple is no real threat to Tesla and strongly believes that the Tesla Pi phone could even become the top-selling smartphone in the United States next year. For only $789, you will be able to own a phone that offers completely free internet access for life. Yes, you heard correctly. That means you can stream YouTube, Netflix, or any other entertainment you love without ever paying a single cent for internet service. This is not a temporary trial, it is for life. Welcome to AMP Drive. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we bring you the most exciting updates about Tesla cars, Tesla bots, and groundbreaking technology like the Tesla Pi phone. Your support means the world, and subscribing helps you stay ahead of all the amazing news we cover here on AMP Drive. Now, in today's episode, we are unboxing the Tesla Pi phone, exploring its 4 major features, and revealing 10 Starlink secrets that will absolutely blow your mind. So, how is the Tesla Pi phone unboxing experience? According to Elon Musk, the Tesla Pi phone is officially expected to launch in March 2026 in the United States. This is huge news as many people have been waiting for this revolutionary smartphone and the advanced technologies Tesla has been developing for years. As far as pricing goes, the base model with 256 GB is expected to begin at $789, while the highest version with 1 TB of storage could be capped at $1,999. Elon Musk has not confirmed the exact numbers, but he has repeatedly promised that the Pi phone will be more affordable than Apple's iPhone, which already gives customers peace of mind. When unboxing the Tesla Pi phone, the first impression is simply its amazing design and build quality. Built using grade 6 titanium, this is one of the most durable and premium materials available today. Titanium provides both scratch resistance and impact resistance, while still being lightweight, making the phone feel sturdy yet comfortable to hold. Unlike many other devices on the market that scratch or bend easily, the Pi phone gives you peace of mind that it will last for years without worrying about damage. In sharp contrast, Apple continues its focus on thinness and design trends. Each new iPhone seems to try to become thinner and more stylish to appeal to younger buyers, but this comes at the cost of durability and practicality. Elon Musk, however, chose to emphasize strength, usefulness, and high performance. According to Tesla employees, Musk himself inspected the Tesla Pi chassis, and only a frame built of grade 6 titanium received his approval. The Tesla Pi will be packaged in 2 main versions depending on storage size and extra features, giving flexibility to meet different customer needs. The box will include a charging cable but not a charging brick. This choice will certainly create debate since many buyers still want a power adapter included. However, Tesla's decision is clearly aimed at reducing environmental waste and encouraging users to reuse their existing chargers, aligning with the company's larger focus on sustainability. So, what makes the Tesla Pi a real competitor to the iPhone 17? The Pi phone introduces a sleek, lightweight design crafted from grade 6 titanium, offering a premium yet durable feel. This sets it apart from the iPhone 17, which surprisingly returned to aluminum for its frame even on the Pro models. This sudden decision disappointed many who had expected Apple to continue with titanium. Users are already complaining that scratches appear on the aluminum frame quickly, even with careful use. Some even argue that the iPhone 17 Pro Max scratches more easily than older iPhones such as the iPhone 6. For a device that costs so much, this is shocking. Leaked details about the Pi phone reveal it will feature a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 3200 nits. This means smoother browsing, better scrolling, gaming, and outdoor readability. By comparison, Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max uses its Super Retina XDR OLED, which has a lower refresh rate and brightness. Tesla's screen technology ensures vivid colors, deep contrast, and fluid animation that clearly surpass most rivals. Charging is another area where Tesla is rewriting the rules. The Pi phone brings Pulse Charge X, a new rapid charging technology that allows users to go from 0% to 80% in about 10 minutes, and to 100% in around 15 minutes. Inspired by Tesla's electric vehicle battery expertise, this system balances high speed with careful heat management, ensuring the battery lasts a long time. Apple's iPhone 17 lineup, by contrast, still receives criticism for slow charging speeds and weak battery endurance. The Tesla Pi camera system is equally revolutionary. Rumors suggest it will use a 64-megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens with 130-degree field of view, and a telephoto lens with 10 times optical zoom and up to 100 times hybrid zoom. Powered by Tesla's Neural Fusion imaging system, the camera analyzes each frame in real time to optimize clarity, exposure, and color balance. This means sharper and more detailed photos in every condition. The Pi phone also supports 8K video recording at 60 frames per second with Hyperstabilizer 2.0, producing smooth cinematic footage even in motion. Apple's iPhone 17 remains limited to 4K. The Pi phone also deeply integrates with Tesla's ecosystem. It can unlock and control Tesla vehicles, manage Powerwall energy systems, and connect to other Tesla products. It even comes prepared for future compatibility with Neuralink, Musk's brain-computer interface project, making it one of the most future-proof devices ever. Another unique feature is solar charging. The back panel has photovoltaic cells that allow the phone to gather solar energy, extending independence and aligning perfectly with Tesla's sustainability mission. In remote or off-grid areas, this could be life-saving. Beyond hardware, the most groundbreaking advantage is Starlink integration. The Pi phone is the first-ever smartphone to connect directly with satellites to provide free lifetime internet access. Unlike iPhones and Android phones that rely on carriers, the Tesla Pi phone makes sure you are connected anywhere on Earth, even in deserts, mountains, or oceans. Starlink satellites form a global mesh network, passing data at the speed of light through lasers, ensuring stable, fast, and secure connections. This Starlink-powered system unlocks 10 secrets that make the Pi phone unbeatable. These include direct-to-cell texting from anywhere without a SIM card, direct voice calls through satellites, high capacity from V2 mini satellites, global low latency for gaming, adaptive beam forming for strong signals even in storms, community mesh networking for disaster zones, Starshield encryption for military-grade security, continuous over-the-air updates, and real-time network control through the Starlink app. Together, these features create a communication tool that Apple's iPhone 17 simply cannot match. Tesla Pi also brings expandable storage, letting you add more space on demand, similar to upgrading storage with iCloud but without restrictions. The device runs on Tesla's XOS, a custom operating system built with advanced security. It comes with ultrasonic 3D fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, and two-factor authentication for financial transactions. Personal data is processed on Tesla's Neural Core directly, keeping your information private and secure without relying on third-party servers. So, with lifetime free internet, expandable storage, solar charging, unmatched durability, and Tesla's ecosystem integration, is this enough to make you leave iPhone or Samsung and switch to Tesla's Pi phone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching today's video on AMP Drive. Do not forget to subscribe so you never miss the latest Tesla updates. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Pi phone, please like and share the video, and remember to turn on notifications so you always stay ahead with us here on AMP Drive. We truly appreciate your support and cannot wait to see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.